Hello, my name is Rahul Kataria and I am here to present a demo video on structure of atom. Before knowing about structure of an atom, we need to know about basics of what atom is. Before knowing about atom, first let us know what is matter. Matter is anything that takes up space and have some mass. Okay. Anything that has physical existence. Anything with physical existence is matter, and all matter is made of atoms. All the matter is made of an atom, whether in any of the state, either solid, liquid, or gas. Atoms are the building blocks of matter. Atoms are the building blocks of matter, like how bricks are building blocks of houses. Okay, like how house is made by bricks, similarly atoms are made. All the matters are made by atoms. First atomic theory was given by John Dalton. It's explained how matter is made up of all the atoms. Okay, atoms of an element are identical. This means all the element have same atoms. Each element has different atoms. Each element has different atoms but which are identical with each other. Atoms can engage in a chemical reaction. Atoms can combine or divide or do anything to give a chemical reaction and form new products. Atoms can neither be created nor be destroyed, and also atoms are indivisible, they cannot be further divided. Then comes Rutherford's atomic model. Rutherford was a scientist. He explained the model of an atom, like how atoms exist. First point is atom has positively charged central part, that is nucleus. This can be explained by this diagram given in left hand bottom, which has nucleus. Nucleus can be represented by this black dot. Okay. Electrons are distributed around nucleus. Electrons are distributed around this nucleus. Nucleus has positively charged central part and electrons are distributed around this nucleus. Mass of an atom is concentrated at nucleus. This means most of the mass of an atom is in its nucleus. Compared with total volume of an atom, the volume of nucleus is meager. Meager means very small or that can be ignored. When total volume is compared, the volume of nucleus is very less. Next comes planetary model of an atom. I hope you guys might have read or studied about solar system. Our solar system, this is the sun, this yellow body is sun, and these planets are revolving around the sun in a circular pathway. Similar can be explained as atomic model. The center has nucleus which is positively charged and has negligible volume and most of the mass. Outside it are revolving electrons. These two are very similar. Next comes Bohr's model of the atom. Electrons orbit the nucleus like planets orbit the sun. This is very similar. Okay, this is very similar to planetary model. This has nucleus. It has positively charged particles and most of the mass. Out of this revolving electrons in circular fixed path. This concept of fixed path was given by Bohr. The electrons are represented by green balls, protons by blue balls, and neutrons by orange balls. Okay, let us discuss the Bose model of an atom by taking an example of fluorine. Electrons fills the orbits closest to the nucleus. This is an important point. There are many orbits, but the filling of electrons start from the nearest orbits. Like fluorine, fluorine has an atomic number 9 and mass number 19. Okay, so 9 means it have 9 protons, 9 electrons, and 10 neutrons. Okay, like nucleus has 9 protons and 10 neutrons. Outside are electrons in shells. Okay, and each shell have capacity of filling some specific number of electrons. Like first shell can fill only 2 electrons, next can fill maximum of 8 electrons, but since only 7 are left, so outermost orbit has 7 electrons. Okay, next comes each orbit can hold a specific maximum number of electrons, and each of them are given a specific name. Like first shell is called K shell, next is L shell, M and N. Okay, maximum number of electrons in K shell is 2, in L is 8, M can have maximum 18 electrons, and N can have maximum of 32 electrons. Next, let us discuss this Bose model of an atom. These red center has the nucleus with orange and blue particles. These red are the electrons. Okay, blue can be defined as orbits with some specific energy, and these can be called various energy levels. Their rotation can be explained by this moving balls. Okay, next come what is structure of an atom. Let us revise what we have studied yet. First comes nucleus. Nucleus is center of the atom, that is home of protons and neutrons where they exist. It has positive charge. Okay, let us discuss protons and neutrons separately. Proton has a relative mass of 1. It has a positive charge or plus charge. It determines the atomic number and is found inside the nucleus. It is represented by P. Next comes neutrons. Neutrons has no charge. As it is neutral, so its name neutron. It has a relative mass of 1, found inside the nucleus. It is found inside the nucleus and represented by N. Next comes electron. Electron has negative charge or minus charge. It is found outside the nucleus. Their positions are given by two different scientists. First, Rutherford said electrons are around the nucleus at random places. But then came Bohr. Bohr said electrons are in specific energy levels and are called shells. It is represented by E. Okay, how are N, P and E related? N number of protons is equal to number of electrons, and number of protons is equal to atomic number. N number of protons plus number of neutrons equals mass number. So number of neutrons can be calculated by mass number, atomic number subtracted from mass number. Okay, thank you.